Okay, so for part 5, you're changing the age dependency ratio, right? Um, Age dependency. Okay, so you're still dealing with children, right? So you have for the dependents, why is my screen? Oh, can I not write on this? Oh no! I don't have a pen. Why does that not work? Damn it. Okay, so this will work. So remember, your children are here. So these three groups are your dependents. So you're going to add the 5,380, 5,108, 4,781. Those three numbers right there. Okay, so that's the kids. Now they're saying the old 50 to 65 to 69 should go into the working class. So the rest of your dependents, okay, so you have your children up to 14, and then the old people start at 70. So you're going to add then these four groups. So the top three, under 5, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, and then 70 to 74, 75 to 79, 80 to 84, and 85 and over. Those people make up the dependents. Then that's your numerator. Then your denominator is 15 to 69. So you'll add all of those numbers up to get your working class, which is your denominator, right? So once you have those two numbers, that's how you get your fraction. Now, when we come down to these, B and C are perfect, don't worry about it. But look at A. The new ratio is undesirable since the elderly must work longer before they retire. Well, yeah, because the elderly, right, we're saying 65 is old, but now in this new ratio, we're making them work until they're 69. So that kind of stinks. So that's the difference here in this part.